In this video, we're going to have an overview of Dynamics 365 Customer Relationship Management Apps. I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. So there are 4 different apps that we're going to have a look at: Dynamics 365 Marketing, Dynamics 365 Sales, Dynamics 365 Customer Service, and Dynamics 365 Field Service. We're going to have a look at some of the use cases for each of these, and on screen you'll see excerpts from my video course on the MB910 all about Dynamics 365 CRM apps. First of all, let's turn to Dynamics 365 Marketing and Marketing Forms. We can organize leads, which are people, organizations, or companies who might buy your product in future. We can add them from existing lists or use marketing forms from landing pages from the web or event registrations to add new contact details. You can score leads using behavioral, demographic, or firmographic scoring models. In this way, you can find your best leads. Behavioral scoring models are based on how your leads behave, such as visiting a web page. Demographic scoring models are based on age, gender, income, and occupation, and firmographic scoring models are based on characteristics of their company, such as company size, industry, location, and revenue. You can divide your contacts into segments. You can then target your segments, so you can send different emails to different segments. You can also add A/B testing, so that you can test what particular approach can work better. You can automate what you do into customer journeys. These are a path of interactive marketing, which is successful if you make a sale. You can automatically send emails and then change what happens afterwards depending on the customer behavior. For example, if they click on your email links, then you can take them down one path. If they haven't, then you might want to send another email reminding them of the opportunity for them. You can also plan events, and events can include your event agenda, website, room reservations, and more, all in one item. Let's now turn to Dynamics 365 Sales. With Dynamics 365 Sales, you can qualify leads. Leads can be acquired from advertising, referrals, partners, public relations, seminars, trade shows, inquiries, email campaigns, and marketing lists. You can also organize opportunities. These are leads which are more likely to lead to a sale and can be associated with a salesperson. You can rate the opportunity and add an estimated close date, contacts, notes, tasks, and other activities. Afterwards, you can create a quote with products, quantities, and prices. You can then save it as a PDF and close the opportunity if successful or not. Turning to Dynamics 365 Customer Service, this uses cases. Cases contain data from customer problems. Other places might call these incidents or tickets. They can be assigned to individuals, users, or team. They can also be put into a queue so that somebody else can deal with it. Different queues can be used for first, second, or third tier level of support, or for different processes or urgent cases. You can also use scripts to assist customers. These are knowledge articles and can be drafted by one person and reviewed and vetted by another before they are published. Turning to Dynamics 365 Field Service, we look at your customers' items and your engineers which go out to your clients, or as we say, into the field. They are organized using work orders, which contain everything that is needed for a particular item of work. It includes, for instance, the type and amount of work that is needed for it. Work orders can also include inspections. These are digital forms such as safety protocols, pass and fail tests, interviews, and audits and assessments. In addition to filling in details, your engineers can also upload files or photos using the Field Service mobile app. They also include the resources which are going to work on them. These can include subcontractors, users, equipment, crew, facility, and pool. These resources can include skills, certifications, or security clearance. You can also include an internal rate for your calculations and what vacation time your resources need. Work orders can then be scheduled using the schedule board. You can also use resource schedule optimization to match work orders and requirements, optimizing travel time and improving efficiency. Your client's items are called customer assets. These are equipment that you need to inspect, maintain, monitor, and repair. They can include their functional location and the type of agreement you've got with them. This means you can set up preventative maintenance, which can stop minor problems becoming major ones. Assets can also be monitored using Connected Field Service, which uses the Internet of Things. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to learn more about Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamental CRM Apps, then please join me in my course on the MB 910. In just a few hours, we will have a look at Dynamics 365 marketing, sales, customer service, and field service capabilities. So you know the principles behind all of them. By the end of the course, you could take Microsoft's official MB 910 exam. That would look great on your CV or resume. Dynamics 365 is based on model-driven apps, and in the next video, we'll have a look at model-driven apps in Power Platform. So please click on the video on the end screen. If you like this video, then please click the like, subscribe, and why not click that bell? That way you'll be notified of any new videos. I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. Thank you very much for watching, and keep learning.